The cell surface membranes of both animal and plant cells are partially permeable. And so is the inner membrane around the plant cell's sap vacuole. This is the plant cell's sap vacuole, and this is the inner membrane of it. It is also partially permeable, which makes sense because we need molecules to enter the vacuole. And in plant cells, we also have the cellulose wall. It has large holes in it. It is fully permeable to water and solutes. So only the cell membrane is partially permeable in the plant cell. We also have the cytoplasm and the nucleus, of course. And in the sap vacuole, we have storage of many dissolved solutes, such as sugars like sucrose and ions. This chapter only deals with plant cells. Osmosis, of course, also happens in animal cells, but there is much less water movement. This is because animal cells do not have a strong cell wall around them and can't resist the changes in internal pressure resulting from large movements of water, while plants have cell walls. On the left-hand side, we have water, and on the right-hand side, we have a sucrose solution. We can see that we have a movement of water molecules from the left to the right, from low concentration of sucrose solutes to high concentration of sucrose solutes. We can see on the left-hand side, we have very fast movement of water. We have high water potential, while on the right-hand side, the movement of water is slow and restricted because we have the sucrose that is attracting the water molecules to it. So we have low water potential. So we have more water molecules moving from left to right than from right to left. This is osmosis. We can say that osmosis is the net diffusion of water across a partially permeable membrane from a solution with high water potential to a solution with low water potential, or from a solution with low solute concentration to a solution with high solute concentration.